Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find the lab chair blueprint inside of Subnautica. You need like 2 or 3 fragment scans in order to unlock this, and boy howdy, I've got plenty of unlockable, scannable fragments for you to cover all of your bases all in one convenient location. So with that in mind, we're going to go from the Lifepod all the way up to the north, kind of northeast, and we're just gonna go cruising. We're gonna head kind of at the same angle over here past this angel comb. And what we're doing is we're heading to the old habitat. But to get to the old habitat the quickest way, I mean, all roads lead to Valhalla here. It's literally just over there to the north. We're just gonna go into this ravine here, right next to this gutted out old camp, and we're like right in front of this angel comb. And we're gonna go into this ravine because there's a little water current that's gonna take us all the way to the old habitat almost immediately. Very convenient. I love these new water currents. They make everything so much fun, like a slip and slide underwater. So from here, we're looking for the welcome home sign. And there's going to be a hole underneath of this building we can sneak into. If you're looking for coordinates, they're right here. Some people like to navigate this game using coordinates, so they're in the lower right-hand corner of my screen right now. At any point right now, you can pause and look at them. And then I'm going to go ahead and hop outside of my vehicle with my scanner out. And we're going to go inside of here. The first lab chair is right here. You can scan some bio beds if you still need them. You never know. You've also got a poster on the wall and a dining table in here. In the next room, you've got 2 more dining tables. That'll unlock the dining table for you. You can also scan a couple of these stools. You only need 1 for the stool, but you'll also unlock the stool that way. You can go upstairs to unlock the dining table, or chair, I should say. Dining chair is right here. And then you can also find a couple more of them right here, and that should cover your dining chair needs. There's also another dining table if you need it. As for what you probably came here for, in the case of a dining, or not a dining chair, but a lab chair, we're going to continue to the rest of the facility. I don't think there's one over here. Oh, here's one. Here's a lab chair. You can give that bad boy a scan, and another table, if you still need a table. And then over here, we can find a whole bunch more goodies in this next room. You've got another stool, bioreactor. There's a battery terminal on the wall you can scan. Up here in this storage room, there's a spotlight, a decorative coral jar, a wake maker. And then way up at the very top of this building, the last room in the facility is a scanner station, lab chair, another dining room table, another lab chair on the floor here, and you should be good to go at that point. There's also 2 blueprint boxes that you may want, and a wall rack is on the wall as well. And all that stuff should allow you to unlock pretty much all 3 of those items, plus some bonus ones that you didn't even know that you wanted. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pretty quick and easy trip, especially if you've already been here for the story but didn't quite get everything the last time. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.